Faded memories when we're apart. The day you'll find me, you'll unlock my heart. The sharp pain that haunts me deep in my mind dissolves when I'm with you. I'll keep on fighting though you were gone until we meet again. No matter how much hope that we hope, we'll find a way to win. Our wishes by your side, the day will be alive. I'll spread my wings and fly. When you were with me, I am strong. I'll seek the future towards the sky. And now you are fading into the dark. I know that what we had, even so, our chain can't be undone. Don't let our bridge break apart.